In this video, I will show you how you can rotate the meteors and make the health bar invisible. And no, we can shoot at it and destroy it as well. Let's see how we can do that. We need to change some stuff inside our meteor base. For example, the size of it. Right now, it's too small. We need to change the scale of these paper sprite to 1 again, so it will be bigger, right? And with that, we need to change the box collision as well. Make it bigger, just like this. Make it bigger this way as well. I think that's good. Now, next thing that you want to do, you want to go to event graph in here. You remember we are creating a 2D game. That's why we need just 2 direction. Right now we are using all of it, right? So disconnect this with holding Alt and click in here. Right click on here, split a strike pin, and on here as well, right click, split a strike pin. We need to just use the X and the Z. These can cause lots of problem in future if we don't do this, right? Because we don't want to move in Y direction. Beautiful. Now let's just look at it one more time. If you run, you can see the meteors right now is big and beautiful. Next thing that we want to do, every time that we create a meteor, we want to have different speed, right? So for doing that, at the begin play, at this begin play, what we want to do, we want to randomly select a movement speed and change our movement speed. So in here, we want to say set movement speed, just like this, set movement speed with a random speed. And we can just drag and drop and search for random float in range. For example, we want the movement speed to be between 50 and 200, right? So put 200 in here. Now if we hit compile and go to our level, let me change the position of this one. Now run, you can see the speed of these two are different. Some of them maybe 50, some of them maybe 100, but the speed of them is changed and this looks more natural. Next thing, we want our meteor to rotate around itself as well. For doing that, after we set the location, we can set the rotation as well. So in here, search for set actor rotation, right? But what rotation we want to change? If we click in here, you can see in here, it is the rotation around the y-axis. This is X, this is Z, and if I go to perspective, you will see it better. Just look at it. What we want to rotate, we want to rotate it around the y-axis like this, right? If I click in here, you can see this is the y-axis. We want to rotate it around the y-axis. That is called pitch, right? So in here, right click, split the strike pin, we want to just change the pitch. Now for changing this pitch, we can create a variable. So in here, I will create a variable, I will call it pitch rotation. That's it. Now we want to get it first and add to it, just add, for example, 10 points at each frame, and we want to set it with this new value, right? Just like that. Set it with this value, it needs the execution pin, just give it that, connect it like this, and now with that we can use this pitch rotation on the pitch of this set actor rotation. Now with that, let's just look at it. If we run, you can see it's rotating as well, and that looks beautiful. Each meteor has 1 point of health. So when we shoot it, let's see what will happen. If we shoot it, you can see it will get destroyed, right? When one of the enemy has just 1 point of health, we don't want to show the health bar. And for doing that, we can make the health UI invisible, right? So if you go to enemy base, we have WBP health and we want to make it invisible in all the meteors. So at the begin play over here, at the end of it, get WBP health, because this is child of enemy base. That's why we access to WBP health, and we can set the visibility, to hidden, right? Just like that. We don't need to see it in any meteor because meteor will be destroyed by just one hit. No, if we run, you can see, no, there is no health bar on any meteor and we can destroy them by just one shot. Beautiful.